In this video, I'm going to be talking about Legendary Marketer. I'm going to walk you through, first of all, what it is, how does it work, is it a pyramid scheme, how much does it cost, the products, and how do you get get paid by affiliate marketer, by Legendary Marketer. So if you guys are new to this channel, what I want you to guys do is, first of all, thank you for coming in and watching, but what I want you to guys do is watch this whole video, and if you guys actually found value or information on here, then I want you to come and please subscribe and like this video, just so you could actually help out the algorithm on YouTube and push this out to more people so they can actually get more value and I could provide more information like this. So my name is David G and I talk about affiliate marketing, different ways to make money online, passive income, and online businesses. So I have been getting a lot of questions as far as what is Legendary Marketer, how does it work, and so forth. So I'm going to be answering, I'm going to walk you through here in Legendary Marketer. I'm going to take you to the back of my dashboard, how it works, what it is, what you get, how much does it cost. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's go into this computer here and I'm going to show you how it is. So I'm going to go into my dashboard here. So I already logged in a while ago and we'll just throw this guy down here. So right here, you kind of see this is actually my main dashboard. This is going to be the 15-day business challenge. So if you guys actually follow me on YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, or my Facebook group, you have heard of me talking about the 15-day challenge. It's actually one of their courses that they promote here, and they help you through on how to start an online business, start making money online, and so forth. So you kind of see on the top, you have the challenge, different products, my account, support, affiliates, and then of course my advisor that you also get. So let's start off on what Legendary Marketer is. What Legendary Marketer is an educational online course that you can take, and they help you start your own business, whether if you're trying to leave your 9-to-5 job, right? You want to start a full-time online business that you can work from home. You could actually leave your 9-to-5 job. It's very possible. If you want to make some extra income, for example, you want to send, like in my case, I want to send my kids to college, right? So I want to make some extra income so I can actually start saving and put them through college. If you want to pay off some bills, if you want to work from home, whatever the case is on why you want to start a side hustle or an online business, right? So there's just different ways and different things that many people have on why they want to start. Legendary Marketer is an online course that's going to help you through that to get to where you want to be. It's an online course that's going to show you how to become a marketer, right? How to sell online, what you want to do, okay? It's not just for affiliate marketing. Of course, that is what I do, and that is actually your specialty, but they also teach you different types of stuff. For example, if you have your own online business, if you have your own products, if you have your own drop shipping store, whatever the case is, they actually show you how to market your products, other people's products, or whatever the case is. That is what they're here to do. This is an online course that shows you how to do that, to get to what you want to do or what you want to be. Now, how does it actually work? So if you guys have been following me, what I always recommend is the very first step on what you want to do is take the 15-day challenge. It's a $7 course and it's going to take you through 15 days. You kind of see on the left-hand side here. And each day you actually have a different assignment, meaning you learn a different course and a different assignment, and they just kind of walk you through. So let me just kind of open up a couple of these so you can kind of see day one, the core four top high ticket business models online. They explain to you what these business models are, why they're important. Day 3 is actually one of my favorites because they actually show you how to build a business in under 30 minutes. Okay, they show you exactly how it works on the back end that you see on how you can actually move your customers, whatever you're promoting or selling or whatever, through your actual websites, through your funnels, and kind of get them from point A all the way to like the checkout page. They also show you also the little things that we probably wouldn't even never thought about, right? For example, copywriting. Copywriting is very important, it's a very high skill. You have questions and they have answers, okay? So that is actually one of the biggest things that caught my eye, and that's why I joined Legendary Marketer. If you don't know my backside story, what I did is a couple years ago, I've been trying to start making money online, but I failed at a couple of stuff. I've tried everything from eBay arbitrage to Amazon FBA. I've tried drop shipping and even trying to do surveys, to tell you the truth, which that was just a waste of time. Drop shipping, I had no idea what I was doing, and I just kind of went over my head. And the biggest thing is when I actually got stuck in every of those other online businesses, I didn't have anybody to turn to. I didn't have any help, support, and advisor. I would go straight to YouTube to try to find my answers, and I never was able to find it. So when I actually learned about Legendary Marketer and I found them, the first thing that sold me is as soon as they said I had an advisor or somebody to talk to, that's pretty much what sold me, because that's what I've been having troubles with in the past, if that makes sense. So you actually have your own advisor that you can talk to one-on-one on a Zoom, Skype conference, and you can ask them your questions. They could help you on your business when you get stuck or whatever the case is, right? On top of that, you also have they have a Facebook private group, right? Where you can go and ask questions to other affiliates if that's what you're actually going into, how to set up your funnels, whatever the case is. But more than likely, they've already been through that and they know how to answer your questions. You also have different affiliates. So as you're actually into this business, you begin to actually start seeing a lot of other different faces that are in the same boat as you. You begin to chit chat and talk and just kind of get ideas. So there's just so much support in this whole community that it's unbelievable compared to where I actually came from, where I thought I was actually trying to do stuff myself. So of course, questions. Okay, let's get back to this. Let's see, day 8, and I'm just kind of going through different types of days. I don't want to actually bore you on everything, but just kind of showing you what it is, what you get, high income skills, and why do you need them. So that's an easy question to think. Why do you need high income skills? Because a lot of people are looking for those type of people that can actually do those skills. For example, big businesses, right? They're always looking for people that know how to write. For example, if they have advertisements, emails, whatever the case is, you actually have that skill that's able to be hired by them. If that's what you want to do, if that's the route that you want to go through, you always have a job. Let's see, day 10, copywriting, as we were saying, skill number 2, right? Day 12, what to outsource, when to quit your full-time job, if that's what you actually want to do. Entrepreneur syndrome, right? So they pretty much talk about everything that we don't actually know about. There's so much information there that I thought I knew, but I didn't, not until I actually took this course and I went through it. On top of that, let me take you into the beginning here. You get so much free scripts, you get templates, you get scripts to post on Facebook, ads if you want to talk to customers on the phone, whatever the case is, right? So they have so much information here, a one-on-one business plan advisor, as I was talking about. So this is just a 15-day challenge. This is a $7 course, and this is the first place that I recommend you guys to start if you want to get into making money online, right? The truth of the matter is we all want to make a little bit more money, right? We all want to actually start our own business, be our own boss. We all want to make our own schedules, right? That's the truth. That's the fact of the matter, okay? But the actual thing is, are you willing to put in the work? This is not a get quick rich scheme, right? Or some kind of pyramid scheme. You know what? Let's go ahead and jump into that. What is a pyramid scheme, right? Is Legendary a pyramid scheme? First of all, what is a pyramid scheme? So as you can kind of see here, a pyramid scheme is a business model that recruits members via promise of payments or services for enrolling others into the scheme rather than supplying investments or sales of products. Pretty much meaning, if I'm trying to lure you into Legendary Marketer, I'm going to promising you that you're going to be making so much money, promising you that you're going to be making this much per year or whatever the case is, right? And then when you get in there, your work is going to be is what I'm going to get paid, if that makes sense, right? You have to bring in more people lower than you so they can actually work for you. That's a pyramid scheme, if that's kind of how you see it. This is not a pyramid scheme. This is an educational course that teaches you to make your own business, to start your own business, to learn, and to kind of grow. It all depends on how much work you want to put. If you want to work on your business for 10 hours, you're going to get 10 hours worth of work out of it. If you're only going to put 30 minutes a day or an hour, whatever time you have, that's how much you're going to get out of it. It all depends on how much work you put into it. That is what Legendary Marketer. So this is not by far a pyramid scheme. Man, I can't talk today. Or a get rich quick scheme. So, and you see that there's so many disclaimers around here, as well as, for example, on my websites that says that this is not a get quick rich scheme. Man, that is actually pretty hard to say right now. So bottom line, it's not, right? So now let's talk about the different products. Let's go on and talk about the different products that they offer. As we were saying, it is an educational course that you can learn how to purchase online, do stuff online, right? So their products. So they have, you know what, let's go ahead and I'm gonna take you into legendarymarketer.com, their main website. Let me move this off to the side and let's go over to their products. So as you can kind of see this face, you've been seeing this face right here pretty much throughout this whole website, and that is Dave Sharp. He is the founder and also our mentor in this actual whole program here. So let me take you on to the top. So as I was saying, 15-day online business challenge. This is actually our pretty much the bread and butter that you start off. This is the entry level that actually what I was showing you earlier. It's for a $7 course and you get in it. If you want to get more information or you want to get more training, you can join a marketers club. They actually have it. They have high affiliates or whatever course or program you're going into, and they talk about how you can better yourselves, right? They answer questions. You actually can interact. You can kind of see here real-time feedback each week on live Q&A webinars from 6 and 7-figure marketers. So that means people that have already made $100,000 or even $1 million. So they probably know a little bit about it, right? They know a little bit what's going on. Traffic University, they show you how to get traffic, because if you're going to start an online business, you need traffic, right? That's the bottom line. You need leads in order for the leads to convert into sales, and of course how you could get paid as an affiliate. So you need leads. They're going to show you how, where to go for this, right? Affiliate marketing business blueprint. So I did go into the business blueprint, and this is pretty much showing you from A to Z everything you need to know, how to set up your actual business, what to do on email scripts, everything, as well as how to get your traffic, you know, where to go. And it's not only showing you about affiliate marketing, it's also going to show you how to promote different other products, not just Legendary Marketer. You actually could start off and create Facebook ads, right? You can do other products. You can go on to ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, whatever the case is. They're going to show you not just to promote theirs, but also different other products. Digital products business blueprint. If you want to start your own courses, right? You want to learn and you want to start your own courses. They show you all the stuff. Coaching and consulting, big key here. Like I was saying in the beginning, I needed a guidance. I needed an advisor. They coach you, they consult you, they see what you have, how to improve whatever your case is, right? Events, masterminds. When people literally get together and they talk and they put out everything out there. So private coaching, they have everything from private coaching to, you see this, I mean, it's just a big, huge group where you can learn how to grow your business. If you get stuck, you have so much stuff from coaching, masterminds, advisors, one-on-one consulting. You have so much information here that's going to help you succeed. If you're going to put in the work, if you're willing to put in the work, you're going to succeed from all this information that they actually have to offer. These are their products that they offer. So now I'm going to be taking you in my dashboard here, so you could kind of see what they actually offer, right? The intro on the affiliate program. So I am in the actual affiliate. How to get free traffic, right? They show you how to do that. Sales funnel, how to set up your paths, your leads, emails, your funnels, your email marketing. They show you how to set up all of that. Your tracking, your tips, get leads with Facebook ads. If you go to products, under the business blueprints, they show you so much other stuff. Decade in a day. It's very, very powerful, guys. And I'm talking about very powerful. They compact and they kind of put everything in 7-8 hours of worth of 10 years of it, right? You get let me get this out of the way, 4 core business blueprints. You get to talk with a business consultant about taxes and all that stuff when it comes, right? YouTube, traffic. They give you 4 done for you campaigns already that you could already start testing. So there's just so much stuff that you actually get, if that makes sense, all in one website here. So that is what Legendary Marketer is. Now, before I continue on, if you guys actually are finding value, please hit that subscribe and like button on this video. That way I could actually push this content out more so other people can see, and of course give you more value if you guys are getting value from this video. So, but that is what Legendary Marketer is. It's an online course that's going to show you how to get to your actual goals, right? As I was saying earlier, whether if you want to leave your 9-to-5 job, if you want to stay at home, if you want to make more money to send your kids to college, whatever the case is, right? If you're a stay-at-home mom, whatever the case is, this is what you have to go through in order for you to be successful. Of course, do you need a mentor in order for you to be successful? No, not really. It's going to help because it's going to actually cut the time that you're going to be wasting trying to find stuff on YouTube, on Google, other people, whatever the case, right? It's also going to cut your spending because you are going to be spending money on either testing, finding errors, whatever the case is, right? Do you need a course to be successful? No, in reality, you don't need a course. A course is literally just going to get you to your goals faster, instead of just kind of wasting money, right? So there's two ways to get there. It's either spending money or spending time, right? Spending money is you're going to be spending it on courses, right? Other people that's already gone through what you're actually going through is going to help you on not doing the mistakes that they did and get you there faster. Or spending time, right? Searching for answers on YouTube, and I'm not saying YouTube's a bad place to start. It's a great place for you to find answers, right? But the little things that actually piece everything together, that is what we need to see. And that's where this course takes you from A to Z. Okay, so two different things. That is what Legendary Marketer is. If you guys want to start learning how to build your own business or get into this program, into this community, there's going to be a link down in the description there. I want you to click on it. I want you to go through that video so you can see Dave Sharp, which is going to be the mentor, our mentor. If you go through it, it's going to show you, of course, what he has to say, what they offer, everything through there, and start your journey. Okay. Once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video so we can continue on giving you more information. But other than that, guys, if you guys have any questions, anything, drop them down in the comments. Let me know if you guys already started your journey, if you guys are still thinking about it, if you guys have questions for this video, something I didn't explain, drop it down in the comments. I'll answer them. Until then, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.